Alrighty, back to the FAQs on the website. What do we got up next, Darren?
I've harvested my crop and I need to up the quality. What other options available do you have?
Sounds like out of spec grain on harvesting their crop. Basically, there's several options. We've got 2 big machines that we use for our seed grading, but we also have 3 other machines that we either hire out or we can operate the machine for you. They're fairly simple units, so we'll probably talk about those rather than the other seed grading ones. We have a blower cleaner, which is pretty good on removing things like 3-corner jacks or radish from beans and peas. It's basically just a big fan which blows the lighter purities out of the grain. That's quick. That capacity of that one's usually around about 20 to 30, 35 tonne per hour, so fairly fast and efficient. The other one we got is actually a quick clean machine. Capacity, that's one of the bigger units, so that's capacity of up to 100 tonne per hour, and a lot of that really comes down to what grade or quality your seed is at the moment. Generally, we find most people running around for screenings problems around the 30 to 50 tonnes per hour. It's good for canola, removing scalpings like snails and pods, any chunky stuff in it. So that one's very successful. Both of those are a fairly cheap option if you hire them out. Generally work around about $6 to $8 per tonne usually. It's fairly economical. Obviously hiring it, you guys have got to do all the hard work with making it work. Other than that, either Darren and I could easily come out and operate the machine, obviously just for the extra labour cost. Anything is possible, but best bet, certainly, is give us a call. Really need to discuss your options, and sometimes a phone call can save you a lot of money. We'll let you know whether it can be done or not, or what machine is the best one to use. So thanks very much for the question, and we'll see you in the paddock somewhere.
Thank you.